Hello, welcome. Salman Bala. Today, I will make a video presentation to review and analysis of the channel. Channel is learning analysis in computer science. Computer science, essay, natural language, natural language courses, or the final exam. So firstly, I would like to introduce myself briefly. My name is Shanhao. I'm from Myanmar. I'm a student of University Cyber Asia from Indonesia. So let's start forward to the presentation. I will share the PowerPoint. Okay. So the channel name is towards more transparency and learning analytics, sharing information with university students and create their awareness of data collection practice channel. The researcher is Stu Sepp. It is published in 2025, 24 in November. So let's move forward. So what is the problem researcher found? Researcher found that most university and survey data collector don't care how the data are collected from the student or participants in. It may hard to collect data because student and participate don't believe their data to give because all the data collector don't take their process to do data collection as it does data collection. So the main goal of the paper is to find out the how to collect data from the student. So let's move on. So for about there is the full hypothesis that researchers found out. So for the number one hypothesis is it. So if the data collector gives to them more details, they were more confident about what data is collected, or otherwise, visualization, like illustration level, will work better than just a longer to collect data. Or there is student know more details, they will accept data collection more. Or a student know more details, they will be stricter about who can see their data, or they will worry, about their data privacy. This is the full hypothesis that researchers have found. Next slide. And researchers conducted the three ideas to ask how to collect data from the students. So for the one method is a short bulk notice. Is like mainly university and data collector use now. It's like uh without telling the detail how to detail information to collect data uh, to student. They ask it is like ask, you need to send your information to the University of Austria. This the first idea. Second idea is to give a long and detailed information with a list of all data collected. So we need to data collector need to give a long and detailed information of how the data are collected. Like they were like giving a data URL, location, and IP address, like in the figure. I will show you that. Like in the figure. Okay. Like in the figure, when they ask this data, your name, location, and IP address, the time you accept or your online class. There is a lot of information and detail how data are collected. This then number two ideas. Number three idea is to give a nutrition label with icon and shoulder. So it will go trace to the student and participant to get their data, like in the figure, uh, with the icon and visualization. So based on these three data, three ideas, the researcher asked three questions. Uh, awareness. First is the awareness. Do the student then the university collect this specific data, like your location, your address, or your information. And second is the accept that. Do the student trust the university? They are worried or not? It trust the university or the data collector. And number three is accept. Do the student think who can access their data, like a teacher, a staff, or company? So then we should ask the question to did we ask the question based on the three idea. So we will see which idea is the best to ask this question to collect data. So this is the awareness question. We can see this is the awareness question. There is a lot of information. The student location, student IP address, and one student assignment calculation. There is a three idea. First is give a short detail. Give just a short. If you know, we will collect your data by your information. And number two idea is test. Test so the data collector will give a detailed information or home data are collected like this. And liver idea is like I mentioned before, the data collector will show a label data collection method. So we can see based on the awareness question, uh, test and label idea are higher than the control idea. Okay, so for the awareness question, the test and label idea is the best to collect data from the student. And for the accepted question is like, how the student assess their data privacy and data possession to get to the data collector. So we can see also a control idea is the WRS, and that's idea and label idea is higher than the control idea to ask the accepted question. And we can see also the exact question, how they believe to get their uh, data to who, for the student, uh, instructor or empty step or suppose step. And we can see that also the control is lower than the test and leave idea. So on all the three I question, we can see that we can see that we can see that the the two idea test and lever are the highest to collect the data from the student. So we can form from this result paper. We as a data collector, we need to collect data uh, from the student or the participant to do our analysis. So we need to tell them where we will collect data for which purpose in detail, and and we have had to We have to if we can provide with the lever angle and persuasion, it will be more attractive to collect data. And the last is that we need to harness, to harness, and we need to use the data improperly for them to gain the trust of the uh, data giver. Okay, so we found I found that we cannot the result is the results are only conducted only 187 students from one Australia University. So this result might be different if the data are collected from another country. And also it was a test, that so the student were we if we noticed in the survey that student who participate this result just we aim norm for a normal without reading and without knowing the information. And then the level design the result are provide is the not perfect, so if very not go a condition, so a better design might have it work better. So future purpose, or to improve this result, how to collect data. So if we need to do how to collect data to do practice, we need to run the study in many different countries to get the different idea, different purpose, and we need to see if the student remember the information of a map, and we need to provide a design, like a design, to attract the student to get their data. And then we need to give a choice, via choice, so student can actually store their data from being collected. So yeah, that's all. So after review and analysis of the data, um, and see as a data collector, as a data engineer, and we data engineer, how the data is collected is very important process to gain the data from the student or participants. So we can use the data, especially data mining and artificial intelligence as well. So we need to better know how to collect data from this channel. I hope so. I hope you will understand how important is the data. So yeah, that's all. Uh, that's for listening. Thank you. Terima kasih.